Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and anxiously waiting for your winter vacation. So I have a good news for you. It's the last video of science from this month. We have completed our November and December work. So students, in this video we just revise our copy work. Students, your winter vacation start on 25th December to 10th January. I hope you all are happy to hear this good news. Students, in winter vacation, we are not giving you daily homework through videos, so you can enjoy your winter vacations. But as you know, this is COVID-19 is spreading all over the world. So you have to save yourself and your family from this COVID-19. And also complete your assignments in these days. Now let's start our work. It's a revision video from month of November and month of December. Month of November have two chapters. Chapter number 12, Light and Shadow. Chapter number 12, Light and Shadow. And chapter number 13, Heat. We have two chapters in this month. The month of November में हमने दो chapters किए हैं, Light and Shadow and Heat. I already explained it and complete our copy work. मैंने इसे explain भी कर दिया था और हम इसका काम copy work भी complete कर चुके हैं. आज हम इसे दोबारा revise कर रहे हैं. Chapter 12, Light and Shadow. लाइट एंड शेडो चैप्टर में हमने किए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स एंड डायग्राम ऑफ सन. ये लाइट एंड शेडो का असाइनमेंट्स थे. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स एंड डायग्राम ऑफ सन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज हाउ आर शेडो फॉर्म्ड. शेडो किस तरह बनता है. व्हेन समथिंग गेट्स इन द वे ऑफ लाइट अ शेडो इज फॉर्म्ड. When something gets in the way of light, a shadow is formed. Question number 2 is write names of some artificial sources of light. Answer is candle, light, bulb, etc. Question number 3 is why you cannot see things in the dark. Why you cannot see things in the dark. We cannot see things in the dark because we need light to see things. We cannot see things in the dark because we need light to see things. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 4. Write names of some natural sources of light. Answer is sun and moon. Two natural sources of light. Once again, write names of some natural sources of light. Sun and moon are two natural sources of light. Okay? Then start your true false. I hope you all have done. A book is not an opaque object. It's a false statement. A shadow is only formed by an opaque object. It's a true statement. Third one is the moon is a luminous object. True statement. Fourth one is shadow is very short at midday. Yes, this is very true. Number 5 is a translucent object absorb all light. It's also true. It's your true false. Then start your blanks. Filling the blanks. Your shadow is long during the moon. During the morning and evening. Your shadow is long during the morning and evening. Second one is a stone can form of opaque object. A stone can form opaque object. Number 3 is reflection of light enable us to see things. Reflection of light enable us to see things. And number 4 is the moon is an example of a luminous object. The moon is an example of a luminous object. And the last one is tissue paper is an example of a translucent object. Tissue paper is an example of a translucent object. It's your filling the blanks from chapter Light and Shadow. इस चैप्टर में हमने सन की डायग्राम बनाई थी. एंड नाउ स्टार्ट आर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 13 हीट. चैप्टर नंबर 13 हीट. इसमें हमने असाइनमेंट्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स एंड डायग्राम ऑफ कैंडल. डायग्राम ऑफ कैंडल. सम स्टूडेंट्स done diagram of candle but many students not done. काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने कैंडल की डायग्राम बनाई है लेकिन काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स ने नहीं बनाई. तो जिसने नहीं बनाई वो अपने इस चैप्टर में, चैप्टर नंबर 13 में ब्लैंक पेज पे एक कैंडल की डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, यू ऑल हैव डू अ डायग्राम, मेक अ डायग्राम ऑफ कैंडल. And your question answer is from the chapter of heat. Question number 1 is name some man-made sources of heat. Name some man-made sources of heat. Answer is burning candles, bulbs, tube lights, etc. are man-made sources of heat. Burning candles, bulb, tube light are man-made sources of heat. Question number 2 is how can we produce heat? How can we produce heat? Answer is heat produced when two objects are rubbed against each other. Heat produced when two objects are rubbed against each other. Now question number 3 is write 3 uses of heat. Write 3 uses of heat. Number 1 is we use heat in cooking food. We use heat in cooking food. Second one is we use heat to keep us warm. We use heat to keep us warm. Third one is we use heat in factories to make many things. We use heat in factories to make many things. Okay, now start your blanks. When your mother boils water, dash is released from it. Heat. When your mother boils water, dash is released from heat. From it, it's in heat. Heat is released from it. The sun is only dash heat producing object. The sun is only natural heat producing object. Now third one is there are many man-made heat producing objects. There are many man-made heat producing objects. Fourth one is heat is the degree of hotness that we feel in an object. Heat is the degree of hotness that we feel an object. Last one is fire is the most common man-made source of heat. Fire is the most common man-made source of heat. It's your blanks. Now true false. We can change heat into other form of energy. We cannot change heat into other form of energy. It's an false statement. Now second one is fire is the main source of heat. It's a true statement. Third one is machine can also produce heat. Machine can also produce heat. It's a true. We use heat for cooking food. It's also true. Heat is widely used in industries in the making of different products. It's also true statements. Now sixth one is burning candle is a natural source of heat. Yes, burning candle is a natural source of heat. So no, it's an false statement. All statements, first one is false and second, third, fourth, fifth is true and last one is also false. Okay, now come to the next chapter. From the month of December, month of November have only one chapter. Its name is Sounds. Chapter 14, Sounds. In previous video, I explained the chapter of sound. Sound के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया, पढ़ाया. I hope सबको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. And all one have done your work, copy work. If you have not done your chapter, so you have to complete your work before school reopen. Okay? This video is helping video for you. ये आपके लिए हेल्पिंग वीडियो है. अगर आपने कोई भी वीडियो मिस की है तो इस वीडियो से आप अपना सारा काम कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अब नाउ स्टार्ट आवर चैप्टर साउंड. चैप्टर साउंड में हमने कुछ आंसर्स किए हैं, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स किए हैं और ट्रू फॉल्स किए हैं. इस चैप्टर में हमने कोई डायग्राम ड्रॉ नहीं की. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. नेम 3 एनिमल्स विच मेक लो साउंड. नेम 3 एनिमल्स विच मेक लो साउंड. वो एनिमल्स के नेम लिखने हैं जो लो साउंड बनाते हैं. लाइक स्पैरो, कैट एंड गोट एक्सेट्रा. स्पैरो, कैट एंड गोट एक्सेट्रा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज define intensity of sound. Define intensity of sound. Answer is intensity of sound is the measure of energy of sound waves. Intensity of sound is the measure of energy of sound waves. Now, question number 3 is, what is noise pollution? Question number 3 is, what is noise pollution? Answer is, when there is lot of noise in the environment is called noise pollution. When there is lot of noise in the environment is called noise pollution. Okay, we have only 3 questions in this chapter. You have to use blue color in questions and answer in black pencil. Now then start filling the blanks. Dash is the measure of energy of sound waves. Intensity of sound. Intensity of sound. Intensity spell is INTEN. 10. In CITY. Intensity. INTEN 10. SITY. Intensity of SOUND sound. intensity of sound. Intensity of sound. Second one is dash sound causes noise pollution. Loud. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. Now third one is the sound of a lion is called roar. Roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Sound travels in the form of waves. Sound travels in the form of waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Dash are necessary to produce sound. Dash are necessary to produce sound. Vibration. Y, V-I-Y, B-R-A, bray, T-I-O-N, vibration. Vibration, V-I-B-R-A-T-I-O-N, vibration. And the last one is the loudness of sound depends upon its intensity. The loudness of sound depends upon its intensity. Loudness, L-O-U-D, loud, N-E-S-S, loudness. Let's fill in the blanks and then start in last page your true false from the chapter of sound. The sound of sparrow is called bleat. The sound of sparrow is called bleat. It's in false because bleat जो है वो goat का sound होता है, not a sparrow sound. Second one is high sound needs more vibrations. Yes, this too. Sound needs vibration. Then high sounds need more vibration. This is true statement. Third one is some musical instruments can cause noise pollution. Some musical instrument cause noise pollution. This is false. The sound of horse is called neigh. The sound of horse is called neigh. Yes, it's true statement. Fifth one is the loudness of sound depends upon the energy of its waves. The loudness of sound depends upon the energy of its waves. It's in true. Sixth one is noise pollution is main cause of heart attack. Noise pollution is main cause of heart attack. Yes, this is also true statements. Students, it's your copy work from month of November and December. You have to complete your work in your copy in a very good writing before school reopen. स्कूल खुलने से पहले ये सारा काम आपकी कॉपी में कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. जब स्कूल खुलें तो आपकी कॉपीज़ का काम कंप्लीट होना चाहिए ताकि हम मंथ ऑफ जनवरी का काम स्टार्ट करें. ओके, एंड नाउ enjoy your winter vacations and you have to save yourself and your family. आपको अपनी फैमिली का और अपना बहुत ख्याल रखना है. विंटर वेकेशंस हैं लेकिन आपने विंटर वेकेशन को एंजॉय भी करना है और अपना बहुत बहुत ख्याल भी रखना है. बहुत ठंड है, ज़्यादा बाहर ना निकलें, बाहर की चीज़ें ना खाएं, मास्क वेयर करें, सैनिटाइज़र का यूज़ करें ताकि आप इस कोविड-19 से महफूज रह सकें. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.